This is how you do leg raises without back pain. One key thing to remember is that full range of motion does not always equal optimal range of motion. Meaning just because you're going all the way down and all the way back up does not mean that you are reaping maximum results and benefits from this exercise. So the key is to not only recognize but listen to your body while you're doing the exercise. And I'll show you how you do that. All right, so one quick tip here is when you lie down, most people start from the bottom when they do this leg raise motion, okay? And how you start or enter a movement is going to be the same way you're going to exit that movement. So if you start with bad posture already, you're going to end with bad posture. So what I like to do is start with your feet elevated like this, so that way your back is flat. Because when you're down here, if you're not ready for that, you'll get that arc in your back, and that's what we don't want. So you start from here. Keep your navel drawn in, keep your back flat, okay? As you lower your feet towards the ground, you're recognizing and listening to the cues in your body. The second this lower back starts to raise up and arc off of that mat, that is your range of motion. So whether that is here, here, or here, it doesn't matter. That's your optimal range of motion, and you're going to get the most benefit out of this exercise for you. And as you continue to progress and perform this exercise, you'll naturally be able to go lower, okay, and increase the range of motion, but keep it optimal and keep getting the results and building the strength that you need to perform full range, okay? So there's no need to go all down here and come up off the mat just for the sake of going all the way down and up. When if you keep doing that in a couple weeks, you're gonna be out from injury and miss a couple weeks after that. The risk reward is not worth it. So all that's doing is just making you feel good in the moment, but later you're literally sacrificing technique and form for what could be down the line pain and injury. And the best ability is availability, so we got to stay in the game, all right? So that's a quick tip for you. Start with your feet in the air, keep your back flat, lower it down to your range of motion. As soon as that lower back starts to raise up off the mat, that is where you stop your feet and you bring it back up, and that's your range of motion, okay? And as you continue that exercise over the following weeks, you can lower your feet and increase your range of motion as your strength increases. Thanks for watching. If you got anything useful out of this video, then give us a thumbs up. If you have any questions, leave a comment, and please go subscribe to this channel. We'll check you out next week. Stay active, be consistent, and train relentless.